Hi, this is Dr. Ben Finio with Science Buddies, and in this video I'll show you how to make your own magnetic slime. Start by mixing half a cup of water with half a cup of school glue, that's 1 4-ounce bottle, in a mixing bowl. Once those are mixed, add a half teaspoon of baking soda and mix thoroughly. Next, you'll need contact lens solution that contains both boric acid and sodium borate. You can check for those by reading the ingredients list. Slowly mix in 2 tablespoons of the contact lens solution as you stir. As the solution thickens, you can switch to kneading the slime with your hands. Don't worry if it's sticky, it will continue to thicken as you knead it. But if you don't want to get your hands messy, you can wear disposable gloves. Once your slime has thickened, add about a tablespoon of iron filings and fold them into your slime until they are evenly distributed and your slime has a uniform gray color. Now, see what happens if you bring a neodymium magnet near the slime. You can use the magnet to carefully guide the slime, but if you get too close, the slime will jump up and grab the magnet. You can also use a regular non-neodymium magnet, but they're not as strong, so the effect will be weaker. Try using your phone to take a slow-motion video of the slime grabbing onto a magnet. Or take a time-lapse video where it looks like the slime is eating the magnet. You can remove your magnet from the slime to try again, but you might have trouble getting bits of slime and iron filings off the magnet. You can use a damp paper towel to help clean it off. If you try to store the slime, you might notice that its color changes to brown as the iron filings rust, and it turns into a bit of a sticky mess. So you might need to make a new batch if you'd like to use it again. For more slime science projects, check out the links in the description of this video. For thousands of other fun, hands-on science and engineering projects, visit us online at www.sciencebuddies.org.